Namaste. 10th September is observed as the World Suicide Prevention Day. According to WHO, suicide accounts for nearly half of all the violent deaths in the world. The National Crime Records Bureau NCRB data reports say that in India, on an average, there were 1,39,123 fatalities in the year 2019. This is definitely alarming. There are various factors that can influence a person's decision to commit suicide. One of the most common one is severe depression and other mental illness which increase the risk of suicide like bipolar disorder, schizophrenia, borderline personality disorder, to name a few. Suicidal thoughts generally arise when someone is extremely stressed and people want to come out or avoid a problem or a stress or a stressful situation, an event, and mistakenly think suicide is the only solution. Suicide can be stopped. What can we do? There are a few warning signs or thoughts which we must be vigilant about. Thoughts or talking to somebody like, I think I should just die to solve all the problems. I am the one who's creating problems everywhere. Some people ask weird questions like, will you come to my funeral? Some might also start stockpiling pills, poison, and other self-harm devices. Withdrawal from social contact and wanting to be left all alone. Some might also start posting unusual status on Facebook and WhatsApp with sayings like feeling lonely, left out, sorry if I've hurt somebody, I quit, etc. Feeling low or dejected, especially after an exam or results, competition, fight in the family, guilt, work pressure, loss of loved ones, bullying, humiliation, illness, and chronic pain. There could also be an increase in the substance abuse. Some people might also give away belongings or getting affairs in order with no logical explanation. One more important thing to be noted here is many people survive suicidal attempt by timely intervention of family members and medical attention. Unfortunately, many of them end up having chronic problems, morbidity associated with suicide attempts. For example, a person who thought of killing themselves by self-eliminating may end up having burns all over the body, which needs a lot of plastic surgery and may also have disfigurement. Warning signs aren't always obvious and they may vary person to person. Some people make intentions clear while others keep suicidal thoughts secretive. What can we do? We all must start talking about it openly. Have a discussion at home without any inhibitions with children, family, friends. The moment someone expresses this thought or we are getting this thought, pause. Pause for a while and seek support. Sometimes we may never know why a person committed suicide. While it might have appeared that someone had everything to live for, but it probably didn't feel that way to them. Let's help, let's be vigilant, and let's guide, let's talk, let's stop suicide. Namaste.